Water is a very important part of weather. Water in the air gives us rain, snow, sleet, hail, and drizzle. The water cycle is also an important part of weather.
How can water be so many things?
And how can water change from one form to another?
Water changes as part of the water cycle. When water is heated, it changes into an invisible gas called water vapor that rises into the air, the atmosphere. This is called evaporation.
Try this. Leave a glass or bowl of water out in the sun. Come back in a couple of hours, and you'll see that there's less water in the bowl. The sun's heat has changed the liquid water into water vapor that rises into the air.
This takes place all the time, all over the world, every day. But most of the evaporation is over the oceans.
When it rains, what happens to the puddles on the ground? The water seems to disappear, it doesn't stay around. The sun comes out and soon all those puddles can't be found. I want to know what happens to those puddles on the ground. The heat from the sun warms the water so it leaves and rises in the air. This water vapor you can't see. It's called evaporation, for it seems to disappear. But it will form clouds and then it someday will reappear. After a while, many clouds will form away up high. The heavy water droplets need to fall from the sky. The clouds get dark and soon the water falls as rain. For there's too much water for the clouds to retain. It's called the water cycle.
In this program, we've learned many things about water. We've seen that water takes many forms. Water can be a liquid that you pour. It can be a solid, like cubes of ice in a glass. It can be a gas, like the gas in the bubbles in a pot of boiling water. We saw how water can change form, as when the water in a lake or stream freezes in the winter, or when water on wet clothes evaporates and becomes a gas. We also saw that water is important in many ways. Living things need water in order to live. We need water to grow things and to get from one place to another. We also need water just for the way it makes us feel when we swim in a pool, or to enjoy the sounds of waves crashing on a beach. For many reasons, water is an essential part of our lives.